Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the accessory chrome package with chrome inserts in the hood, door handles, 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown ginger beige MB text interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, heated steering wheel, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 25,872 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.